Hi there, welcome to the ingredient channel. Today we're making fried rice with shrimp. Have you ever wondered how to deal with the leftover rice you cooked for the previous meal? In this episode, I'm going to share one way to transfer the leftover to a meal that is better than the takeout: the fried rice with shrimp. It is very easy to make and only takes about 5 minutes. For the ingredients, besides the leftover rice, we need 2 eggs, carrot diced and boiled, onion diced, shrimp, and peas. First, let's season the shrimp. Add cooking wine, salt, grind some black pepper, garlic powder, add 1 teaspoon starch, massage. Whisk the eggs. In a heated pan, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Fry the eggs. Cut the eggs into small pieces while stirring. Onion. Stir fry for about half a minute. Add the peas in. Keep stirring. Carrot. Then push all the ingredients to one side of the pan. Add additional cooking oil, about 1 more tablespoon to the empty side. Throw in the shrimps. Stir fry the shrimps alone until it changes color. Then mix with other ingredients. Keep stirring for 1 more minute. Add the leftover rice. Drip about 1 tablespoon of oil on top of the rice. Separate the rice into smaller pieces. Add salt. If the rice is too hard to break, don't worry, add some water. 1 to 2 teaspoons. Do not overdo it, as we're not making soup. Mix a few more times and cover the lid, let it simmer for 2 minutes. Then add oyster sauce and sesame oil. Keep stirring for a few more times. Time to enjoy. The rice is completely rejuvenated. Together with the shrimp and veggies, delicious. By the way, this serves perfectly with the tomato egg soup we made in the other episode. For the recipe of the soup, click on the card link up there. Well, hope you enjoyed this episode. Please check out the other videos in my channel. comment, like, and subscribe, which will help this little channel to grow. Thanks, and see you next time.